Toddlers need the same nutrients adults do: vitamins A, B, C, D, zinc, iron, and the list goes on. If your toddler eats a balanced, healthy diet, she's probably getting enough of her necessary vitamins and minerals. But what does balanced really mean? 2- and 3-year-olds need between 1,000 and 1,400 calories, depending on their age and physical activity level. The calories are divided between protein, grains, dairy, vegetables, and fruits. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, every day 2- to 3-year-olds need 2 ounces of protein foods like beans, lean meat, nuts, and fish, at least 1.5 to 3 ounces of grains, half of which should be whole grains, no more than 2 cups of dairy, preferably low fat, 1 cup of vegetables, particularly dark green and dark yellow ones. Lastly, she should eat 1 cup of fruits daily. Make sure the 1 cup doesn't consist of just fruit juice, which will fill her tummy up and keep her from eating other food. The same may happen if she drinks too much milk. I know it's very hard to accomplish this balance every day, especially when toddlers resist your good intentions. Try your best to offer healthy foods in creative and even sneaky ways. Puree zucchini into spaghetti sauce. Throw some fruit in her cereal. Eliminate foods that contain trans fats and limit foods with added sugar. They can cause health problems now and as your child grows up. Keep offering the nutritious alternatives instead. Soon enough, she'll come around. Of course, your child's diet does need some fat. About 30% of his caloric intake should come from healthy, unsaturated fats found in foods such as peanut butter, avocado, and olives. All your efforts will go to waste if you dish up oversized portions, however. As a general rule, a toddler's portion size should be about 1/4 of an adult's, and adult servings aren't as big as you think they are. To get details about healthy food choices for your little boy or girl, watch more videos in this series.